Velcro. But really, it just goes in the middle?
Yep, that's it.
It's a legit teepee.
Yeah.
But it just goes in the middle without anything like connecting it.
Right. It's not very tall.
No, it's not.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi. 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 Hello. Oh, hi. Hi. Thank you. Oh, hi, Bubba. Don't knock the camera, Sam. Leave it.
Yeah.
I think the real question is, should we use all the pipe? Do we need to? Is it gonna fit?
Brought my bed.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna catch on fire.
All right.
Cheers.
Well, I mean, in here. Okay, all right, the other way. No, 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 get in front of the camera. There you go.
Sit.
There you go, sit.
No.
No. All right, we're back at it. It's springtime, and it's camping season. Well, it's the beginning of camping season. So I went out and got a teepee style, canvas style tent, and it's actually a hot tent. There's a little stove inside. And we're gonna see how we do over the night. It's supposed to be kind of cold, but hopefully I keep the fire going, and these two ding dongs will keep us warm.
We'll see if we have a tent in the morning or if we'll burn it down. But either way, I think I have enough layers to stay warm. Otherwise, it is beautiful out. There's a couple darker clouds in the sky, but it looks like it's going to be some nice fresh spring weather.
I'm really eager to see what the hot stove does and what 2 dogs with 2 humans will do tonight. Let's go take a look on the inside. Susie's bed. We brought 1 cot, and I'm gonna sleep on the ground because I want to be as authentic as I can. And that's about it.
Family in the tent. We all made it. Shiloh.
Okay, so this is not legit, but I don't have a lighter. So I'm gonna light this piece of paper with this steel. Oh, there we go.
Oh my gosh. So right now we're getting a little smoked out in our teepee.
Oh yeah. Well, I guess the dogs want out.
We have fire and we have smoke leaving the tent successfully.
Well, what would camping with Finnies be if we didn't cook and eat big steaks? We've cooked over the fire. We've cooked as fancy as we can when we're outdoors. So now we're going to do a little stovetop cooking. I have some nice New York steaks, courtesy of Albertsons. Some asparagus. So we're going to eat very healthy today. Only the finest. I will say this thing is pretty warm.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we're going to be cold tonight at all. Oh, yeah. This thing definitely heats up fast. That is for sure.
Smile at me.
Oh, you know what we didn't bring? We didn't bring ketchup.
Trip's ruined. Let's go home.
Let's go home. Dang it. My steaks are not quite done, but I want to cook my asparagus. So I'm going to leave my steaks on top. That way they will continue to slowly cook, and my asparagus will cook now. Well, babe, what do you think?
Super good.
Just as good over a little baby wood stove?
Worked great.
You know it's good because you have the moocher staring it down. Right, Bubba? Well, it looks like we survived. The fire lasted almost 4 hours and then had to start it back up again. I did it a couple times last night, but didn't take very long. It sure gets this place nice and warm, so now time for a little coffee and a little breakfast, little eggs and Costco muffins. There's something about black coffee camping. You just can't beat it. Yummy. All right, well, last night was a success. Now it's time to go for a little hike and see what we can see. Ready, baby? Yeah, that direction. All right, the highest point, that's our destination.
Teepee!
Oh my gosh. The best hiking spots are off trails. Right, babe? Unless it's side hill. That wasn't a bad loop. What do you think, babe? We do it again?
I'd do it again. It wasn't easy, but it was fun.
Yeah, it was a perfect day. It got windy up top, but never to a point where it was too cold. So, but as always, thanks for watching.